Hi friends, this is Neil. We welcome all of you in our English learning channel. We are here once again with a new informative video. This Learning English 1952 channel is continuously in its endeavor to impart the best wisdom on English grammar and vocabulary.
Hello my sisters and brothers, myself is Ruby. This video is solely based on the application of English articles in different types of sentences. At the end there is a fun quiz to test how much we could learn from this video. Please participate in the quiz, have lots of fun, thus gain confidence on English subject.
English articles.
My dear sisters and brothers, we believe that you shall enjoy the content and definitely press the like button, share the video with many friends and relatives, and submit comments, so that we get ideas and inspiration for our next video. If you are new to the channel, shall certainly subscribe to the channel, if not already done, by pressing the bell button, to get notification on subsequent releases. Let us now learn the application of English articles in sentences.
This is episode 5 of Article Series. Hope you have seen our all sorts from A to Z. Also episode 1 to 4 of Article Series. If not, please go through the same for easy learning.
Application of Article E and the in sentences.
Let us learn the use of appropriate articles with vowels and consonants in different types of sentences.
A quick recap of what we have already learnt from episode 1 to 4.
Articles are short monosyllabic words. We have already learnt the application of indefinite articles a and an and definite article the. Articles are used before the nouns. Use of definite article the is to identify a noun that denotes a particular class of person or item.
Definite article, the, is pronounced as the when it is used before a vowel sound.
Definite article the is pronounced as the thuh when it is used before a consonant sound. An aeroplane is flying above the clouds.
An elephant is tossing a ball.
Eskimo crawls on ice to enter the igloo.
An owl is perched on the patty store and stares at the mice.
Use of a black umbrella is recommended to limit exposure to the direct sun rays in summer.
An astronaut flies to space in a spaceship.
Dense cloud has loomed on the horizon.
The frogs are ready to sing a song on the rains.
A fish flexes the body and teeters the tail to swim.
A jackal thinks that all the grapes are sour.
Let us play a short quiz. Write sentences using articles a, an,
The girl
and
is reading
the.
a book. An apple falls from the tree. The tall man is a football player. In summer, the sun is scorching. An umbrella protects us from the sun and the rain. You must have noted the applications and are ready to make your own sentences with articles. If you have used the 3 articles at least 10 times, you must have scored 10 out of 10, so what a fun! Thank you for participating in the quiz.
Next to start a new series on parts of speech. Learn with us English language, nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs.
Learn with us English language, pronunciation, spelling, grammar, application. Next series to start is on parts of speech.
My dear sisters and brothers, we believe that you have enjoyed the content and has definitely pressed the like button, shared the video with many friends and relatives, and submit comments to get ideas and inspiration for our next video. If you are new to the channel, shall certainly subscribe to the channel, if not already done, by pressing the bell button to get notification on subsequent releases. Please continue to stay in good health and humor. Thank you for your continued support.